Welcome to another episode of Are You Healthy Eating's weekly recipes. Today we have apple chips that are easy to make and easy to pack up and take on the go to school. Apples are detoxifying, high in fiber, and rich in antioxidants. To start off, we're going to need to preheat the oven to 225 degrees Fahrenheit. Next, grabbing ripe apples, begin slicing it into thin slivers. Try to keep it as uniform as possible so it bakes evenly. Line a baking tray with wax or parchment paper and arrange the slivers on it. Now this is where you have the option to spice it up or keep it original. If you want it to be sweeter, then you can add some honey or some brown sugar on top. But if you want it more autumn-like, you can definitely go for cinnamon. By now your oven should be preheated. All you have to do is just place the trays of the apple slices inside and wait for 2 to 3 hours, depending on how thick your slices are. Make sure you periodically flip it over so that the other side can dry out as well, because you want to make sure that these are extra crispy. When they look, feel, and taste crispy, they are completely done. All you have to do is just cool it on a rack, and after that, you are ready to pack it up and bring it to school. These are amazing healthy snacks for curbing potato chip temptations. Now we want you to comment down below and tell us what your favorite healthy snack is. If you did like this video, make sure you give it a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for weekly videos. Also, don't forget to follow us on our social media pages at Are You Healthy Eating if you want to stay updated on healthy eating tips for school. Until next week, stay healthy and we will see you later. Bye!